Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Arcform Catalyst. Beautiful knife. The design is from Jeff Blovell of Tough Knives, and this one is really something to behold. It is overall length of 8.25 of an inch, blade length of 3.5 inches of S35 VN steel. You got your Tough Knives logo right there on the back. You do have a lock bar insert on this guy, and just like really smooth action. It's nice. I really like that in a knife when it just drops shut. And this one's knocking on that door. It's pretty, you know, you know what? It's there. It falls shut. It's beautiful. The handle length on this guy is 4.75 inches, and you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. There's what your carry is going to look like. So it looks like this much of the knife will be showing out of your pocket. So it's definitely not a deep carry factor, but you know, it does have a really nice pocket clip, so that's that. You've got titanium handles with this carbon fiber overlay on top, and the nice little details on this guy. Like, look at that. That is a carbon fiber pivot on that. Really cool. I don't know if I've seen that before. Nothing comes to mind, but yeah, really neat, really interesting. So guys, this is one color option you have. This is the, you know, gray with stonewash finish blade. And then you've got what you call the dark form, not the slim foot, sorry, that's their other knife, the catalyst, the dark form catalyst, and it's blacked out all the way. I believe this is a DLC coating that's been tumbled or stonewashed rather, and looks really slick, really hot. So check these knives out at bladehq.com. This is the Arcform Catalyst.